Today I'm going to show you how to link your Google Slide, Google Doc, Google Drawing, whatever you created to the Padlet. So whenever you are at your Google Slide or your Google Doc, make sure you've named your presentation. You can name it whatever you'd like. Notice how I have pictures here and I have my 3 ways that the Nile River helped ancient Egyptians. Then you want to click the share button here, and then you want to make sure that the Smyrna School District is clicked and they can be a viewer. You can click copy link here and click done. You can also go up here and copy your link as well. Then you're going to come over to the Padlet. You're going to click on this button to the bottom right, the plus sign, and then in the middle you're going to click on the link. You're going to paste your link right up top here and then click on the arrow. You're going to wait for it to load and you can see where it's at. And then in the subject, I want you to put your name. And then if you want to write something about your presentation, you can write it in the description. And then you're going to click publish. And then whenever you come here, you're going to see other students' presentations, so you can click on that. And then you're able to read theirs.